So this is beginning of part two. I would like for you to type in Java Development Kit JDK 8 for me, please. So I pasted that into the Google search engine with it, and I'm just going to hit enter. So if you spell it exactly the way how I have it and put in parentheses with it, you should get the same search as what I have right here with it. So there's a whole bunch of things you can actually do. I'm going to click on this first link right here with it. And I want to walk you through this. So as you go through this, it goes through a lot of documentations and all this stuff with it. You can download all of this stuff with it, and feel free to read this if you have time. You're welcome to, or if you can't sleep at night, feel free to take out and read it. It's not with it. But in here, there's three operating system. There's the Linux, there's the Mac, and there's the Windows. We're doing everything in Windows in this course. Please do not install anything or to compile, because the Android Studio it's going to look weird. Everything I do, it's a different interface. So if you have a Windows operating system, Windows 10 operating system, the better. Okay, so click on Windows for me. And I'd like for you to find one of these files that you download. So there are a couple of things on it. If you notice, I'm looking for is the exe file, the second one right here. So this download Oracle, Java, the latest yada yada, and all the stuff with it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click down here with it. And you're going to see there's a download with it. This is the download, the JDK with it, right? So I'm using Firefox, and I want to find that folder right now. You click on this download, arrow pointing down in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to open that file, and this file looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to click on that file. I'm going to run that executable file. Give it a second. I'm going to pause a second, okay? If you're working in, it's going to ask you to install this thing. So say yes, because if you need to be an admin right in your operating system to install. I want to pause this for a second because it's going to take a second to run, okay? So I'm going to pause for a second. So this is going to pop up this window right here, and I'm going to walk you through this like I'm installing this for the probably updates as well. So click on next, and it's going to ask you to keep the default settings for me and this for me, okay? So just let it run, and I'm going to pause the recording for a moment, okay? So it should say a message like successfully installed after you do all this with it. And you click on access to Tor API. No, I don't want you to do that. All right. I want you to click on close for me. That's all you want to do. This will conclude installing the Java JDK kit before we install this. So this is step one of this. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stop the video.